Hi friends and subscribers, this is Mehul Sheikh and today I will start a new video tutorial series using PHP CodeIgniter where I will be developing an application of lecturers management where I can manage the lecturers of various colleges, their qualification details, their personal details, okay, then their skills, okay, where different users can come and they can start follow and unfollow various other lecturers. Okay, so here this is the login page, okay, and we have a register page as well from where the user can register. So let me just first logged into this application. Okay, so now I have logged in as a user. So when I logged in as a user, then I will be represented with this kind of design where there is a search box. Okay, from this search box I can search any of the user. Okay, suppose I want to search the users whose name starts with M. Okay, the moment when I press M, it will display me the list of all those users whose name starts with M, their profile image, their username, the subject which they taught, okay, and the college in which they are working. The complete detail I can get below this search text box. Okay, so from here I can move to that user's information. Okay, so if I want to view the details of this user as Smith Pereira, then I will be immediately taken to that user's details where I can view his profile image in this profile card with the username, profile image, then the subject which he taught, okay, and then the designation, and along with the followers and following section. Okay, so here as you can see, he is having only one follower and he is following to 5 users. And here I can view his personal details, his qualification details, his professional details, okay, and here I can view his skills as well. Okay, so if I search any other user such as Julia, then I can view the detail of that user as well, qualification, professional details, okay, and since she has not added any skill in her profile, that's why it's displaying no skills added. Okay, here as well you can see Julia is having 5 followers and she is following to 6 users. Okay, so now let me see the details of any other user, say Edward Shaw. Okay, so now I can view the details of this user as well, his personal qualification, professional and skills details. Okay, as you can see here, he has added 5 skills with the name of that skill and how much percentage he knows that subject or that skill, how much percentage of expertise he has in that subject. Okay, you can see here is displaying in the form of percentage. Okay, so I can view the details of any user. Okay, let me just go to the home page. Okay, so here this is the logged in user. So in the profile card of this logged in user, you can see the username, the subject that user teach, okay, and then the designation and followers and following count. Okay, and here user can publish and add. Okay, suppose I want to, suppose here I will just add one post. Hi friends. Okay, so now when I publish, you will see immediately a message gets popped up. You have seen that the post gets published successfully, but that post is not displaying here. Okay, so here what I have done is there is an admin. Okay, so whenever any user publish any post, an approval will be sent to the admin and user can view that post in his page only when the admin approved that post. Okay, so let me just go to the admin section to approve that post. I'll just log out. Okay, so now I am in admin side. Okay, so this is the admin section where admin can view the details of various users. Okay, so now we will come to this section later. So just now, because I want to approve that post which I had published just few seconds back, that's why I came here. So now we need to search the user. Okay, so this is the user who had published a post. So as you can see here, on his name there are two posts which are about to approved. Okay, so now let me just view it. Okay, so this is the post which this user has just now added. Okay, so I will just publish it. Okay, so now the moment when I click on pending, it gives me a message as approved. Okay, so now I will go back to that user's home page. Okay, so now you will see earlierly this post was not displaying because it was in the pending state. So since now admin has approved this post, that's why this post is started displaying here in his page. Okay, and this user can view his own posts as well. Okay, so for that he has to go to this my posts link where the user can view the post which he has published. Okay, apart from viewing, if he wants to edit, they can edit the post, they can delete the post. Okay, so if I want to edit, then I can, the moment when I click on update post, okay, it will give me a messages post updated successfully, and immediately you will get the updated data will start displaying on the page. Okay, so now if I want to delete this post, then I just need to click on this delete, then a message gets popped up as post deleted successfully, and when I click on OK, you can see the post gets deleted successfully. Okay, and then apart from this we have the features of viewing various users who have registered to this application. Okay, so here you can see these are the various users who have already registered, and from here I can view all these users. Okay, in the form of cards. Here I can see the profile image, their name, the subject which they teach, okay, and then their designation and the college where they are teaching, and who are their followers, and to whom they are following. Okay, now what is the number of followers and following. Okay, so all these details I can view here. Okay, so if I want to view the details of any of the user, then I just have to click on this. Okay, so let me just click on this. See, when I click on that profile card, I will be immediately taken to the complete detail view of that particular user, from where I can view his complete detail. Okay, next, and then we have a feature of add profile. Okay, so once I get logged in, when I registered and then logged in, then I have to add a profile. Okay, see, from here I can add my profile, personal profile, qualification profile, professional profile, and I can add skills as well. Okay, so now let me just add a profile. Okay, so let me just log out. Okay, so I will register one user here. Okay, as Rudy Flyer. Okay, so now suppose I tries to submit the form without entering information in any of the text box, then it will give me an error message. Okay, the confirm password field is required. Okay, so now here I will again select the user, and then what if my password and confirm password fields are not same, then see it's displaying passwords do not match. Okay, and when I click on submit, you will see a message gets popped up as user registered successfully. Okay, now I can log into this system. False credentials, then it will give me a message as user not found, password. Okay, so now you can see this is the new user. Okay, so when the new user gets logged in for the very first time, this is the design. Okay, so he will see the details of all the users. Okay, since he is not following any of the user, that's why it's displaying him as follow, and along with this it's displaying the details of followers, how many followers this user is having. This user is having 1 follower, this user Peter Clive is having 3 followers, and Jack Rebello is having 2 followers. Okay, so all these details is displaying here. So now without adding the profile, I will add an post. Okay, everyone. Okay, now when I click on publish, you will see immediately here a message gets popped up. Okay, which says that posts are pending to approve. Okay, which means I have published a post, but that post is not been approved by the admins. Okay, so now we will we will go to the admin section later once we add the profile. Okay, so now let me just add one profile first. Okay, now Rudy profiles. Okay, now you can see this is the very first time I'm adding the personal details of that user. At that time you can see this update button is been disabled. Okay, so this button will get enabled only when I saved this personal details. Okay, so let me just show you that. Okay, now when I click on submit, you'll see data saved successfully, and immediately the data gets saved. You will see the information gets popped up and information start displaying both in this card and as well as in this text boxes. Okay, so now as you can see submit button is disabled. Now if I want to update, then I can update it properly. Now I can update, okay, once I successfully registered. Okay, so now let me just update it. Okay, so just to show you that update is also working fine. Okay, now let me just select any other image. Okay, and I will make it as married. Okay, and let me just click on update, and you will see a message displaying and the image immediately gets changed. Okay, and so this is how we can update the data. And then we have a qualification. Here we can add MA ECU University. Okay, so now I will just click on submit. Here as well you can see the update is disabled and it will get enabled only when I submit. See, data gets saved successfully, and you will see update button is now gets enabled. Now I can update the information. Similarly, I can add professional details. Okay, so now when I click on submit, it will give me a message and the data gets saved. Okay, and if I want to update, then I can immediately update. Okay, and here as you can see followers and followings are displaying 0 because now I have not started following anyone and no one has yet followed me. Okay, now I want to add skills. Okay, so if I want to add skills, then I just need to click on this add skills, then okay, H. Okay, so when I press H, it will give me the list of skills which has H in it. Okay, so if I press Y, then it will display me the skills which has Y in it. Okay, so now I will click on this PHP Symfony, and here I will select the percentage. Okay, and I will click on add skill. Okay, so that skill gets added. Now I will add one more skill. Okay, so since there is no skill with the letter Q, so I will type R and I will select this responsive web designing. Okay, and I will select as percentage as 80. Okay, now I will add one more skill. Okay, Java swings. Okay, so I have 70% knowledge in that skill. Okay, so I will add that skill, and since I have added 3 skills now, and when I click on close, you will see all those 3 skills started displaying in the form of a bar where I can see the percentage. Okay, as well. Now if I want to edit these skills, then I just need to click on this edit skill. Okay, if I can easily edit these skills, PHP Laravel. Okay, and when I click on close, see the data gets changed from Symfony to Laravel. Okay, so now if I want to edit any other skill, so I just need to click on that. Okay, and then it will make it as editable. Java okay, will make it as HTML. Okay, and when I click on close, you will see the skill gets changed. Okay, and if I want to delete any skill, then I just need to click on this delete icon. Okay, then that skill gets deleted. Okay, so this is everything about adding the skill for that user. So now I have logged in. Okay, and you might have remembered that when I logged in for the very first time I had published a post. Okay, so now let us go back and approve that post. So I will just log out. As you can see, this is the user which we have added just a few minutes back. So you can see there is on his name there is one post, and that post is pending as well. Okay, so I need to click on this view, and I will click on this pending button, and it will change it to approved. Okay, and I will come back to the dashboard. As you can see here, now earlierly this post was on the pending state. Since now I have approved that, now it has moved to the approved state. Okay, so now let me just log out. Okay, see, the moment when the admin approved that post immediately start displaying on his page. Okay, and apart from this, if the user wants to view his own posts, they can see here, they can edit the post from here, post. Okay, when I click on update, it will give me a message and the data gets updated successfully. Okay, so if I want to delete, then I can delete this post as well. Okay, now here regarding this follow and unfollow system. Okay, now here if I want to follow any users, then from this list I can view and I can follow any of the users. Okay, suppose now right now I'm not following anyone. Okay, so if I click on this Peter, I want to follow this Peter, then when I click on the Peter user, how much ever post Peter has published, all those posts will start displaying to me. Okay, and the count also gets changed here in my following section. Okay, so now I will click on this Scarlett DeCosta. Okay, so she has published 2 posts. Okay, the moment when I started following her, all her posts are displaying to me. Okay, and the following count is also gets changed. Okay, and here also you can see earlierly she had 6 followers. Now since this Rudy also started following her, the following count, her followers count gets changed from 6 to 7. Okay, so like this I can keep on follow any users. Okay, so now you can see Mehmood Sheikh is having 6 followers, and I click on this follow, then this user is followers list gets changed from 6 to 7. Okay, and I can also view the post of Mehmood as well. Okay, so this is about follow and unfollow system. If I want to unfollow, okay, since you can see I'm following this Peter Clive, and his post is also, you can see, displaying here unfollow Peter Clive, then I just need to click on this unfollow. Okay, and earlierly it was 3, now it's displaying 2. Okay, and Peter Clive posts are also hidden from my page. Okay, so this is about follow and unfollow system. Okay, and next thing, okay, so here as you can see, if I want to view the details of all the users, as I already told you that I can view all those users from this page by clicking on the home tab. Okay, I can view their details, their username, their profile name, their profile image, the subject they taught, and their designation, and the college in which they are teaching, and their followers and following count. Okay, all the details I can view. Okay, if I want to view their details from here as well, I can view them. Okay, see, I will get the details of that user. And next, if I want to change my password, okay, then add profile and view profile has been done. Okay, now the only thing which is left is change password. Okay, if I want to change my password, then I just need to click on that change password. Here I need to enter my old password. Okay, and then I will enter a wrong password. Okay, so now when if I try to update my password, now you will see current password do not match. Okay, so that means this password doesn't match. Okay, now I will enter correct password, Okay, so here in now I have now my both current password and confirm password is changed. Okay, so now let me just see what error it will display. The display new and confirm password do not match. Okay, so now again I will enter my old password. Once again I will enter the new password, and now I will click on submit. It will display me password updated successfully. Okay, so now I can log into the system with the new password. Okay, so now our password gets changed successfully. So now these are the features which we are going to cover with respect to normal user. Okay, let us log in as another user. Okay, so I will just click on logout, Michael. Okay, so now here, since this user which we had added just few minutes back, he is having 0 followers. Okay, so I will follow to this user. Okay, so I will click on follow. You will see his followers count gets increased, and here the following count also gets increased for Michael. So now let me just again go back to the Rudy's profile. I will enter his new password. So now you can see, since Michael started following Rudy, that's why the count gets changed from 0 to 1. Okay, so now these are the functionalities of a normal user. Now we will move on to view the functionalities of admin. Okay, so when admin gets logged in, this is the page. Okay, so admin can add his profile. Okay, so for the very first time when admin logged in, the admin will add their profile. Okay, and then admin can change their password. Okay, and apart from that, admin can monitor, admin can view how many users have registered to this application, and how many posts they have published. Okay, and how many followers they are having. Okay, as you can see, this Rudy, since this user has registered just few minutes back, he is having 1 follower and 2 users are following him. Okay, and he has total 2 posts, out of which he has only 1 post, and that post is approved by the admin. Okay, and if admin wants to view that user's post, then he can click on view. Okay, next, here this user Smith is having 2 posts, and both of his posts are approved, and he has 1 follower and 5 people are following him here. And the next one is, let's move to the next page. Okay, so here, as you can see, Mehmood Sheikh is having 2 posts, out of which 1 is been approved by the admin and 1 is pending yet, and he is having 7 followers and 5 people are following him. And when I click on this view, then you will see there are 2 posts, and 1 post is been approved and 1 post is in the pending state. Okay, from here admin can approved. Okay, next. Okay, so like this I can view all the users and their posts, and how many people are following him and who are their followers. Okay, and here you can see I have added an pagination as well. Okay, so at each time I can view only 5 records. I want to view only 5 users at each time along with their statistics. Okay, so we will see how we can add this pagination as well. Okay, so these are the functionalities of admin. Okay, admin can view and monitor. And let's just log out. Okay, so now, as I already told you, that whenever user publish any post, that post will be in the pending state. Okay, so the moment when you publish the post, you will see a notification here. Okay, so now let me just add another post. Okay, since this user is having 2 posts. Okay, so let me just add 1 more post. Okay, so now here the pending post count is 1, and when I publish this 3rd post, now you will see immediately the count gets changed from 1 to 2, and when I click on this, you will see a message as 2 posts are in the pending state to approve by the admin. Okay, so until the admin approve these posts, this notification will be there as it is. Okay, so this is the complete application which we are going to learn in this complete tutorial series. Okay, so in this application of lectures management using PHP CodeIgniter, we have lot of functionalities, we have a lot of features to cover. Okay, so if you watch this series from starting to end, I'm sure you will come to know, you will learn many of the functionalities using PHP CodeIgniter. Okay, so I would strongly recommend you guys to watch each and every video of this tutorial series. Okay, so very soon I will start uploading the videos on this tutorial series. Okay, so don't miss any of the video. Okay, because you will be going to learn a lot in this video tutorial series of this PHP CodeIgniter. And this video has taken too much of time because functionalities are more. That's why this video has taken a little bit of longer time. So this is the first video of our tutorial series, and from the next video we will start developing this application. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.